as I work in family law and not criminal law, there's not a whole lot I know about coercive control, to be honest. And if you're looking for specific stuff, as I work in family law and not criminal law, coercive control being a criminal offence, I don't know a whole host about coercive control, if I'm honest. What I do know is how the behaviours described in coercive control are relevant to family law cases. So, for example, when it comes to child proceedings, how do those behaviours impact in terms of the welfare checklist and the best interest of the child? When it comes to financial proceedings, is a behaviour going to be significant enough so that it can be counted as conduct when it comes to sorting out finances listed in section 25 of the Matrimonial Causes Act? And TLDR on that second one is probably not. The benchmark has to be really high for behaviour to be a factor when it comes to finances. But look, this is mainly child stuff. If it turns out that someone has perpetrated coercive control, ask yourself, how do those behaviours impact the child? Ask yourself, how does coercive control impact you as a parent? Those are the things you focus on. It's best not even to focus on the fact it's coercive control. Focus on the behaviours that aren't in the best interest of your children. So, for example, I'll give you an example, financial abuse. Financial abuse is part of coercive control. If a parent is depriving a child of provision, whilst contact and finance are not strictly limited, it does demonstrate a lack of a child-focused approach. Does it come to abuse in front of the children? Does it impact the children, upset them? If so, absolutely you'd mention it. If you are going through the criminal system regarding coercive control and you are dealing with a family court case as well, you want to be putting things like crime reference numbers in and actually mentioning this because it can be relevant. But that's really all I can say on the matter. Like I say, don't listen to me on criminal law. I'd hate to get someone put in prison.